Okay, cool. Check this out. Look what just instigated this next video. Welcome to the world of millipedes. Oh, their legs are so hypnotizing. Look at that. This is going to be great. So, here we go. There are roughly 12 to 13,000 species of them on record in global catalogs, but their true numbers could even be 3 to 5 times that. They can be found on all continents except for Antarctica. Based on fossil evidence, they were among the earliest animals, if not the first animals, to move from water to land, and the oldest fossils are 428 million years old, and they were found in Scotland. They've been around as long as plant matter. We know that they're nocturnal. They belong to the class Myriapods, meaning having many legs, but they don't have 1,000 legs, as the rumor goes. An adult, they'll grow up to 200 legs. Their sizes range as small as 2 millimeters all the way up to 14 and 15 inches long. But we can't go without talking about this. There was once a genus of massive millipedes that lived 345 to 290 million years ago called Arthroplera. They got 8.5 feet long and 1.6 feet wide, and likely weighed, by those standards, 110 pounds. 110-pound millipedes? Scientists first started discovering those fossils 170 years ago. We know they love damp places. They require moisture to live. You'll find them everywhere under mulch, rocks, compost, leaf litter, especially leaf litter. They're nature's little recyclers. They can recycle nutrients back into the soil faster than plants and animals decomposing naturally. They play a major role in breaking down nature's waste. They're good for the environment. They're going through the undergrowth, keeping forests healthy. And they're a great bioindicator when you see them. By nature, they're peaceful vegetarians. Unlike centipedes, which are more ill-tempered little predators, they feed on little insects and stuff. Millipedes and centipedes live completely different lifestyles. Centipedes slither sideways and can be pretty quick, whereas millipedes, as you can see, they're in no rush, and they have twice as many legs to move. Centipedes only have 1 pair of legs per body ring, and millipedes have 2 pairs of legs per body ring. And they use those to push and drill into the soil because, they love that rotting vegetation. Their bodies are rounder, and as centipedes' bodies are much flatter, and they have a more elongated antenna. But for a defense mechanism, millipedes, they can emit a repugnatory secretion and odor, but a centipede they just try to bite you. There's a certain species of millipede, Motixia, that they can actually produce cyanide as their chemical defense, and they're also bioluminescent. How cool is that? They can be found in southern Sierra Nevada and the Santa Monica mountain ranges of California. There's millipedes that can even be found in floodplain areas, and they can survive flash floodings, freshwater floods, and they can live submerged underwater for up to 11 months, almost a year. That's crazy. Other species can survive near seashores in somewhat salty conditions. So as far as basic reproduction, the male millipedes, they don't have legs on the 7th segment. It gives space for their gonopods, or sex organs. They use the modified legs to transfer the sperm packet to a female during mating. Females receive the spermatophore through the vulva located behind the second pair of legs. And then most females lay 20 to 30 eggs, which are burrowed into the soil. Unlike other arthropods with relatively short lifespans, millipedes can live up to 7 to 10 years. That's probably why you see people keeping them as pets. Kind of easy maintenance and 7 to 10 year lifespan. That's great.